Investigators have not yet said if drugs were involved in Prince's death, but there's been a disturbing trend in the last decade of celebrities dying due to essentially accidental drug overdoses. You look at the death of almost every celebrity in the last 7 to 10 years, you will find a bottle of prescriptions of two kinds of medication at that person's bedside, prescribed, as prescribed, sitting there. Maybe they took a little bit more than prescribed, but not a lot more to die. And maybe exactly as prescribed. Those categories are opiates, pain medication, opioids, and benzodiazepine, the Valium and sleeping medications. In the opiate class, it doesn't matter which one you're using. I don't care if it's heroin. I don't care if it's Percocet. I don't care if it's Dilaudid. It means a difference to me biologically and pharmacologically when I'm treating them. But in terms of what happens to the patients, it doesn't matter. Forget the name of the drug. It doesn't matter. You hear rumors. You brought up the issue of Percocet. I could care less. It means nothing to me. What means something to me is he had pain, was given pain medicine, and now he's dead. That is a concerning alchemy that we see over and over again. Why is this happening? Renee, celebrities get special care from people, don't they?
Yeah, I mean, I think that regular people can get almost anything they want
absolutely.
Anyway, but you add money and fame and you can twist anyone.
I think you're absolutely right, because that list, because people worry about GMOs and vaccines and superbugs. Stop worrying about that. If your loved one is going to die of something, this is what they're going to die of if they're young and healthy. This is it. This is what takes young and healthy people out right now, and it's my profession that's doing a lot of this. I said in the last block, opioid pain medication are not, there's no scientific evidence that opioids work for chronic pain. They work for surgical pain, they work for acute pain. They're fantastic. They take away suffering in cancer patients, but in a chronic pain patient, there is not science that substantiates well their use. And now look at all the downside. Tremendous downside that seems to be being ignored. A lot of it in favor, Christina, in favor of what are called patient satisfaction surveys.
Yeah.
If patients aren't happy with their care, doctors lose their job.
Yeah, it's almost like it's an accepted addiction. It's like it's okay for you to take prescription medication, and it's okay. Oh my God, you're not feeling well.
Doctor prescribed.
Oh, it's okay. But it's gotten to the point where it reaches everybody. It has to reach all of. I mean, it's reached my personal life. It's reached my family, my friends.
Jason, hang on. Jason, 90% of the opiates in the world are prescribed in this country. Are we in that much more pain than the rest of the world? Are we suffering more than the rest of the world? Do we need that more than the rest of the world? What's going on?
The way I see it is society, it's instant gratification, a lot of it too, is they want the easier, quicker way out. Anything worth having is not easy.